This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin rights and creating a quick backup of any custom Task Manager views. This protects choices if you change system profiles. Open Task Manager and move straight to details or performance. Do not linger. Sort processes by CPU, memory, or disk to flag offenders. Anything over 10% or consuming large handles deserves attention. Once done, make sure to note process names and their PID. That info lets you research whether to end, suspend, or investigate further. Now you proceed with surgical changes. End or suspend non-essential processes, but first confirm ownership, user versus system. Use Resource Monitor to trace which threads or services are responsible and check startup impact to prevent recurrence. If an app is CPU-intensive and trustworthy, change priority or set CPU affinity to limit cores. This reduces contention without killing the program. Once adjusted, monitor the Performance tab for a few minutes to ensure the system stabilizes and there are no unexpected spikes. Finish by codifying what you changed. Create a whitelist for essential processes and automate routine cleanup using Task Scheduler or simple scripts so improvements persist. Apply OS and driver updates, disable needless services, and document every change. This makes rollback safe. If things go wrong, expect one key troubleshooting step. Revert recent changes first, then boot into safe mode to isolate the fault, and restore from the backup if instability continues. That sequence minimizes downtime and preserves data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.